Welcome, welcome. To preview your tags, triggers, and variables in Google Tag Manager, go to the upper right corner, click on Preview. It'll open up a new tab, and here you'll paste your URL, your website URL where you want to preview Google Tag Manager. Leave this checkbox checked off, click on Connect. It gives us this dialog box in the bottom left corner indicating that Tag Assistant has been connected. Now in the URL, you'll notice a GTM debug parameter to help you indicate or identify traffic from the GTM preview in Google Analytics or whatever web analytics tool you have. Go to your Tag Assistant tab, click on Continue, and here we have an indicator that shows us 2 Google tags have been found, one for your GTM and another for Google Analytics. In the left side here, we have a summary of all the events that have fired. When you navigate to a new page, then it'll create a new drop-down for that page. In the summary section here, you have a section for the Google Tag Manager container details, and then an output of that container, including tags, variables, data layer, consent, and errors. In the event log on the left here, when you have the summary highlighted, you can see all the tags that have fired. It also has the tags that haven't fired. We'll go to our website and cause another tag to fire. So we're going to click on this read more link, allow the page to load, and then go back to our tag assistant. And now we have this GA4 event, this Google Analytics 4 event for read more. It also gives us another page. When you click on one of the tags, it'll give you a lot of useful data here. It'll provide you with the properties so you can see what kind of variables it captures, like page location with the page URL, and then event name, measurement ID. You'll see the messages or the events where this tag fires. So if you notice, it says 25 link click. And when you look in your event log on the left here, it matches this 25 link click here. And then it gives you the firing triggers. Whenever the trigger conditions are met, you'll see for some tags that it fires for multiple events. So there are multiple messages here. And with these messages, you can click on any one of them. It'll give you information that's especially useful for validating your data. So in the top right corner here, you can change the display variables from names to values, and you'll see the actual values. So for example, instead of the page URL variable, it'll give you the actual page URL. This area is especially useful when you're trying to troubleshoot your triggers. So if we take a look at another event, let's go back to our link click, and then we can see the tags that haven't fired. So we can click on this menu tag, and we can see all the trigger conditions that weren't met and that kept the tag from firing. So then you can go back into GTM and change your configuration. You can also troubleshoot your tracking and validate your data by clicking on the variables tab, where you'll have the variables in the left column, the data types, and then the values in the far right column. So for example, you might use the click text or click URL for a trigger, so you can see what's actually captured whenever this link click event occurs. So we have the read more value, and then for the URL, we have this value. If you want to see how to validate or preview data in Google Analytics, click the link on the screen or in the description. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode.